In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to your GoDaddy website builder site. It's a straightforward process that will enhance the interactivity of your website, allowing you to engage more effectively with your visitors. First, you'll want to select an AI chatbot service that suits your needs. There are several options available, such as Common Ninja, Artibot, or Elfsight. Each of these services offers different features and pricing, so take some time to explore which one aligns best with your business goals. These chatbots can handle various tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to guiding users through different processes on your website. Once you've chosen your service, you'll need to dive into its customization tools. This is where you can personalize the chatbot's appearance to fit your brand's aesthetics, train it with relevant business information, and configure quick replies for common interactions. Spend some time here as the settings you choose will dictate the overall performance of your chatbot, making it more efficient and helpful for your visitors. After your chatbot is fully customized and ready to go, the next step involves copying the HTML embed code provided by your chatbot service. This code is essential to integrate the chatbot into your GoDaddy website. Carefully copy this embed code as you'll need to paste it into your site later. Next, log into your GoDaddy account. You have the flexibility to sign in using your email, Facebook, or Google credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on Edit to open the Website Builder Editor. This is where the magic happens. Locate the page where you want your AI chatbot to appear. Navigate to the area on the website where the interaction would be most beneficial for your visitors. Here, you'll add a new section by selecting Add Section. Within the panel that appears, look for the option labeled Files and Web, or you can use the search feature to find HTML. Click on Add to create a new HTML block on your page. Now, in the custom code field of this new HTML section, paste the embed code you copied from your chatbot provider. Make sure everything is pasted correctly. You might need to adjust a few settings here, such as tweaking the height to ensure your chatbot displays just as you envision it. Finally, once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, save your changes and publish your website. This final step is crucial as it makes the AI chatbot live on your site, ready to interact with your audience. Congratulations, you've now successfully integrated an AI chatbot into your GoDaddy website. Enjoy watching it engage with your visitors, streamlining their experience, and providing valuable assistance around the clock.